Hey, good evening. This is Sunday evening, November 29th, 2020. This is KK Trader. I'm going to do the recap for the last few weeks, the watch list that did happen, that price got spiked. Okay, first of all, belated happy Thanksgiving belated, okay? And we are going to do the recap about the takers happened in the last few weeks that I did on the watch list. First, I said these can triple and MEDS and DSS. And this happened MGEN 1 to 21, and I had that taker. I said I published this video on the 13th of November. 13th November. That day, I said that 13th of November, 13th, yeah. And 2 days later, I got a spike from 15 to 21. So I didn't watch this after I made a, the watch list, and then spike of $5. See, from 13, I did a video on the 13th. I did a video on 13th. This day I did. See, I published it that day. On the 13th. On the 13th. But I didn't watch that, unfortunately, but gained the $5 each share, right? $13, 15 to 21, 21.60. So it's about $6, right? We safely say $5. And now going down. Keep looking at this, just what happens, right? Maybe go another spike. Another thing is on the market now still uncertain, okay? Because the Republican, the election, and the Democrat still fighting for the president election, right? A few states haven't gave the legal, certification for the votes. So, but just announced that Illinois, I think. But anyway, all the news now on TV or the Google, the Facebook, Twitter, everything is governed by the Democrats. So the Republican, the Donald Trump, only using his Twitter, but got a false account or something. But anyway, all the news now is not really news or something, but Trump still tried a legal action to get the real, because a lot of Americans go to Washington, D.C. to support Donald Trump, the president, because saying do not steal the votes from president to Trump to Biden. This is a big, it's how to say that, but I'm only here talking about the fine, the stocks. I try to let us to make more money, but the politics right now is not certain, okay? the president votes, who will be the president will be known until December 8th or something, but they have the deadline. But for sure, January 20th, the president should be certain. But right now, we are still trading the stock. Just go by the chart. Now it is a history high still. Don't trace the price and then watch out the high to get out of the market. Don't be trapped. That's my point. So let's go back to this one, MGEN. From the chart, I said, this will be the chance to give you triple the price each year. You do a few times, that your account will be tripled, right? But see the spike and go back half, spike and go lower, then go another, and go another. Of course, this is very risky. But for people, just going, following the flow. When the market going up, you go. When the market goes down, you get out. So for people who want to take the risk, this is the one. Okay, do next one. On the, let me see here. See the next one I'm talking about for the last week. Okay, let me show you. Last week, I did said that I had a projection over $1.56 something. I bought it right here that day. Wait, this one? No, this one. I bought it this day, pre-market, from 245. Okay, here. Let me do this one, 4 hour. So you can see I'm talking about 415 had this price I traced, and then I keep adding, then I get it to 156. But the same day never push up. This ticker trapped me for 1.5 months. I didn't get out. I didn't cut. I didn't do anything. I just hold because I see the year before that this is the season energy sector will be going up like last year. See, it's going up from October to all the way to January. So I didn't cut it. I knew this will be going back, and I once when go very low to 65 cents a share. I was so angry. I was so sad. My account got a half low from my projection $1.55, but I did it. But I get out too soon. That day, I want to get out and get lower to get in again. But I had a chance. I had several chances, but I was freaking out whether I will be trapped again. So I never get in. I placed the order. You can see my canceled order. I canceled the order a few times about this. Wait, not that one. Canceled. I had a canceled order. But anyway, just let you know that to be safe, get out. I was thinking get out as I put the because I got out at 160. So I tried to get in at 160, it never happened. But happened the next morning, twice, gave me 3 times. 160, 160, 157, 160, but I never get back. But this one is low. But this one I can get in 164. No, I can get in 160, right? I can. but I was afraid, but I could trace over here and the one open. I don't know when this one go low, whether we'll push up again or not, or I got trapped again. I never go trace again, but 225. And I did a short the next day. This day, I pushed up to 165 from 126, and I did a short on that day at a very low. Yeah, at a very low. I didn't get out. I couldn't get out. At a very low this day, I shorted. My position I added 135, and I shorted. So one person told me, "Well, go up, go to $2 again." But I think this done. This is done because during the day this is a high day chart. This is a higher. This is a higher than this one. So this is supposed to go low and do another push or something when reach $1 or something. This is my guess. I think market now, and look at the volume, very low volume. Look at the volume. Very low volume and high price. That's the sign that the market maker get out. Even that day is half day, still high price, low volume, you know, and this is a low volume, low price. So market is done. Market is done. It is going low. It's my guess though. Maybe go up until this low, 124, and then push up again. If this is a holding 130, holding up the price, doesn't go lower than 130, then push up more. So this is the line, okay? This is the line, 130-ish, 132. This is the line, support line, 132. This is the support line. If we go lower, then we'll go low to $1 or something to support it again, another line here, then push again or go low again to 65. Most likely will reach this line and go up again. That's my guess, or go over here, go up. I don't think so, because this to there is too close. They need to dump more, they get a lower price and push up more. Okay, then EQ. That day I got trapped. I should get out, but I think there's more, so I add over here. So my average is 540. But I think this is the support line. Support here. This is the closing price right there. Yeah, because that day got down. Everything go low. And here's the resistance. So if it doesn't go over this line, we'll go lower. I think this is the bottom already. So this is the one step, we'll go more step. We'll go over this line, then reaching this line. Reaching this is the second target. This is the first target here. First target here. Go over this line, second target, third target, because this used to be $27. And this is the third target, and this is the fourth target. So there are more to go. There's more to go. So you hold it or what? Don't know. You do your own decision, okay? So, but this is the bottom. I don't want to sell because this is almost reaching the bottom, you know? This need to push up because this is another line here. This is the resistance, this is support. This is another support, but over here, this. So to see, okay? Okay, another one. Express. This one I entered, I gave the price 110. I get in 110, but I sold it 140. And I didn't. Again, I tried to get out and get back in again, but I couldn't get in anymore. It all the way go up. That day I get out from there, you know. But during the night pre-market, after market, the pre-market high, and I never trace again because I was thinking during the day it will push up. No, didn't. During the day they don't. So this is the trigger they do. During the aftermarket and the pre-market they raise high. And then during the day they don't. But this during the day they go up. During the night down. And down. Because this is retail. Another retail do the same thing. They the same thing during the night. After hour, push very up, and I get in here. I get in at the support 65, 365, and then I get out when reaching here. And during the day, pushing a little, I didn't go back in again, then down. So I'm glad, otherwise big loss on that. Yeah, I did have that one. Yeah, this one, see, I was trying to get in the price, and for 3, I get out, I sold, failed. I sold the price at I sold the price of 407. Yeah. So I'm glad I get it up. See, 129, I shorted, and I shorted another one, 139. Yeah, I keep shorting, adding to see what happens. Okay, then AEZS. This one I gave the price when I did one over here, but going in there a little bit, and that day spike. And I get out of the same thing. I get out of here. Hold on. I get out of here. They close, I get out. And then go low again, didn't get in. This one seems the market maker is taking the shares they buy until one day they have plenty of shares, they will push again. But this is cheap stock, and they try to do the step grinding up. If you want to hold, just buy the cheap and hold it. I don't know, but this seems from this is the very bottom. We're grinding for a long time, and this is the day I get in because the volume. Look at the volume here. There's volume, but now doesn't have volume. Only the second day has volume. This day didn't have volume, but the price is up. But that is Black Friday. Yeah, the market maker is taking off. The price go up a little. And another one, DVAX. This one was up a little. See, I gave the watch list, and Black Friday goes up. Volume is bigger. Look at the volume. Bigger, price goes up. So this has potential. Yeah, this I had 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. I have this on the watch list. I have the video published on the YouTube. So this is up. I think I had that one just a few days ago. So when you get in at that price is nice. You hold, let me see. the data if you want to see exactly. Let's see. Hold on. Did I get one big one? But there are more spikes during the year. You can tell. Let me do the weekly chart. So you just go with the flow of the market. When low, when go high, you go high. When they dump, you dump. So more chances each day you can make a few dollars, $5. Here's $11. See, you can make $5 or $4 each year, each day, but have a few that you can double your money or triple your money, right? Okay. Another one, REV. This one got a spike. Daily chart, grinding up. Look at this one. That's nice grinding. Yeah, REV. Wait a second. No, wrong taker, sorry. REV. There you go. REV, I said that on the 13th. Yeah, that day. And if you catch the bottom, if you catch the $9 or $10, you still take $1.50. You know, but this is spiked again. Watch that. When go low, you get in again. And the next one is GTEC. That's on my watch list. The same thing. 13th, right there. When go low, you take it and goes up. Right? You see the spike? If you get in here, $5 here, $7, $2. God. If you have 1,000 shares, you make $2,000. You know. And next one is NTN. Yeah, this is a kind of let's see, the 13th. Go low, go high. $1.80. Now it's $2.20. It's grinding up, right? Is that grinding up? But this is the big spike. Maybe this is coming soon because they are getting the shares, right? This is August 13th. So let's see whether this want to go up. You know, they always spike. See, 170, 270. You make $1 from less than $2 stock, but this is the big one that you can take advantage of. See, two. So okay, that's something potential. Another one, EHTH. Why I said that on the November 13th? Yes, grinding up. This is the bottom, right? First bottom, second bottom, and this is another bottom, and it goes up. $70.81. That's expensive stock. Okay. So that day I have this, and this day I have that, and that day I have these. Okay, I'm an OV. Yeah, I'm an OV. No, those are okay. And this is the watch list I had. And I'm going to talk about these in the next video. The watch list that did happened, like this one, and this one happened. All of these are, you know, some people made money and told me, hey, and so thank you for sharing this, the takers that they made money. So I'm glad that you guys made money. But yeah, all of these takers is my pick. But I want you guys to share with me that you have any taker that seems nice, you know. Thank you so much for the watching and disclaimer. Stock market is very risky. Use your caution, knowledge to do your trades. You are the only person responsible for your loss. I'm not here only to share my knowledge and experience. I put a lot of time and effort to make this channel. Please leave the comments, click the like button, and subscribe. We are trying to make this channel better and better. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.